Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will show you how to customize the color of your candlesticks in the TradingView mobile application. Let's make your chart truly yours. First, open the TradingView application and make sure you're logged into your account. Go to your chart tab at the bottom. Next, tap the gear icon at the bottom of the screen. You can find it right around this corner. Scroll down and tap on More Settings at the bottom of the screen. Now tap the back arrow once to open the full chart settings menu. Here tap on Symbol. This is where you can edit the look of your candles. You will now see options to change the color of bullish candles, bearish candles, borders, wicks. Let me go with the body. For bullish up candles, I will go with the color black. Let me make some changes with my borders as well. For this, I will go with something like pink. You know what? Just tap the color box and pick any color you like. Once you're happy with the look, tap OK. And your candles are now customized and looking fire. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TradingView mobile tips. Drop a comment if you have any queries. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.